And occasionally we have an explosion in there to get power out of, or a continuous explosion in the way of a turbine. But this is an air pump. Think of it that way.
Come on, bud.
And we use that moving air to do a lot of things within the engine. We use it to mix the gas. We also use it to lubricate all the bearings in the two-stroke. And at a certain speed, you've heard maybe of power band and de-power band in a two-stroke engine. That is when the two-stroke engine is supercharging itself. So again, here's the choke, yeah, and here's the primer ball. This sucks in fuel in order to prime the system. And then we also have a throttle butterfly here. So there's two butterflies, but this one is on a spring. Then what happens is we have two jets here. When air is flowing, okay, and it goes through a restriction, it has to speed up to get through that restriction because it's a smaller hole. If you go from a hole this big to a hole this big, in order to get the same amount of air through there, it needs to speed up. When air speeds up, it creates a vacuum. It drops its pressure. It creates a vacuum. We use that vacuum in the Venturi to do all kinds of wonderful things. One, we use it to suck fuel out of the reservoir and into the bowl. Now this is the carburetor bowl, and it's got a diaphragm in here, and you can see here it's got an equalization port so that that does an airlock, and we're able to get this diaphragm to move. So this is all under vacuum.